Today is a sad day for a lot of crypto enthusiasts all around the world because the founder of Binance Exchange, Changpeng Zhao, has sentenced for 4 months in a prison and all the cryptocurrency prices are falling. No. Is it an opportunity where we can make a lot of money, or is it a threat for all of the people who are holding cryptocurrency?
Coin is going to zero.
As addition, I'm gonna give you 3 tips how to stay safe in this type of volatile market and how to benefit from it. The founder of Binance, who is also founder of a lot of crypto products, he's also first crypto billionaire, and as one article is saying, also the richest guy in American prison. He's a billionaire, he has done a lot of things for the cryptocurrency environment, and definitely has built one of the best exchanges in the world, which is also the biggest. Unfortunately, there is a lot of AML guidelines what they have been going against with in past couple of years, and because of that, the US government wanted to show, I guess, for the rest of the world that, hey, you know, it doesn't matter how rich you are,
there is going to be consequences
when you're not gonna follow our rules. And it's a plea deal. Actually, they needed to pay like huge amount of money in the beginning. It was billions of dollars, I think $4 billion. So $4 billion they needed to pay for the fine, and eventually they negotiated it into $50 million. So instead of $4 billion, they paid a fine of 50 million, and that's a pretty big discount. And as part of the deal, also CZ, who was previously the CEO of Binance, stepped down as a CEO and agreed to go to some time. And what they now have agreed is the time is 4 months. I think overall it is actually not so dramatic as it seems. 4 months in a prison, 4 months in a prison is, you know, it's not the same as 20 years or 30 years. And after 4 months, you know, ZZ is gonna come out and he's gonna be a little bit more muscled up and he's gonna go ahead probably again with his crypto ventures. So we're gonna see what is going to happen. But for sure, I don't believe that anything big is going to happen in a cryptocurrency market. I believe that this kind of opportunities, when media is blowing something up and it is negative, then just the whales are dumping the price and then taking the opportunity from the panic what is happening in the market to actually pick it up everything again, and they're making a lot of profit out of it. As I promised in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna give you also 3 tips what to do and what not to do in this crazy volatile market when all the market is crashing, and how to stay safe, how to generate profits out of it. And as far as I can see, there is only 3 main ways what to do, unless you are just quitting and going out. Number 1, do your trades only in spot trade. What it means that when I buy a cryptocurrency, let's say yesterday I was buying BNB and BNB price was $580, 500 something like that. So $580 yesterday, I bought the BNB, and now today the price was dropping into $540. Then it means that if I have one BNB, then I actually have lost $40. But in the moment when the BNB price is rising, then I'm in a profit again. Maybe it's gonna take a day, maybe it's gonna take a week, maybe it's gonna take a year, but I'm gonna be there still, unless the BNB is gonna go away, of course. If I would do the same thing in leverage trade, either in margin account or futures, then this kind of drop like happened yesterday would already liquidate your account in most of the cases. I don't know how many people got liquidated yesterday, but I guess there was a lot. If you want to stay even safer, don't do the trades at all. Just keep all your cryptocurrency in the hard wallet. Either it's Nano or Trezor or something like that. You can just keep it in your cryptocurrency wallet and you don't need to even risk with that if something is going to happen with the exchange itself, which also is something what could happen. Number 2, buy it from the bottom. It is easier said than done, but it is very good way how to generate a lot of profits, and a lot of profits what I have personally created is also during these kind of big drops. It's very hard to understand when is going to be the bottom, but if you see that all the cryptocurrencies are right now red, everything is discounted, everything is -5, -10% down, it means that it is probably good time to buy, because we need to buy it with a low price and sell it eventually with a high price. Now, if you're doing a leverage trading like margin or our futures, then don't use all of your leverage for making these trades, because you never know when it's going to be the bottom. And if you buy with, let's say, 10% lower than it was yesterday and it drops another 5%, 6%, maybe I would want to buy again also from that level. So when the prices are starting to now come out up, then I actually double even my profit. And this, of course, in the leverage trade, I have to tell you that it is extremely risky, and there is a very high chance that you're gonna lose your account if you over leverage. Number 3, hedge. A lot of people don't know, but you can actually bid against the market and make profits also when cryptocurrency prices are dropping. And it is very easy to do. The only thing you need an exchange, you need to deposit some money, and then you need to put this money either into margin account or futures account. And of course, margins and futures easily be more risky because we are trading the contract, not the cryptocurrency itself. But nevertheless, if you think that the market is gonna go down, you're gonna sell it, and then when the market is actually going down, you close your trade and voila, you have a profit. If you're doing it in margin, then you need to lend the cryptocurrency what you're thinking that is going down. Let's say BNB is going down, I borrow the BNB, I sell it in the market, and then I buy it back in the moment when it is lower in price, and I pay back the borrowed BNB, and voila, we have a profit in dollar. If you understand that most of the people in the market are wrong, and you see that most of the people are panicking in the market and panic selling, then you should be the one who is not panic selling but buying. Remember when Bitcoin price was $3,000 after it has been 18, from 18 to 3? Now everybody's thinking, oh, Bitcoin is gonna go away.
Bitcoin is going to zero.
And today, of course, the Bitcoin price is like $60,000. So there you go. This is how simple it is. Subscribe to the channel and also check out the other videos. Because if you like this one, then maybe you're gonna like also the other one. Just the other day we made our own cryptocurrency. I post all the scripts and everything in the video description, so you can make your own cryptocurrency and put it in the market, and maybe this is what you're interested about. Or if you want the insights about the trading, you want to become a trader, you don't know yet how, there is a lot of videos about that, and there is trading games, and there is gonna be some motivation, inspiration, business building, bunch of stuff, everything what comes in my head, but I think that it's relevant, then we're gonna do it. So thank you so much for watching. We're gonna see you already in the next video. Bye.